What's going on, guys? Just a short follow-up video today. The video I just put out, we were buttoning the bike back up. You had seen we took the turn signals off and replaced it with this sissy bar and the docking hardware. So I had mentioned that Custom Dynamics makes a light that has the turn signals built into it. So today we're going to be pulling off our old Custom Dynamics tail light and replacing it with the 2-in-1. So it's gonna look pretty good. And this is what we have right now. It's a very solid tail light. I like their Pro Beam stuff. It's nice and bright, but I think it's gonna look a lot better when we clean it up a little bit with the 2-in-1 turn signal tail light right here. All right, so we already have this base here. All we need to take off is the actual housing itself and replace it with the other headlight. All right.
Okay, so that's the one you had.
Yep.
That's the one that's going to go on there.
Yes.
Maybe they go in there. I guess the main one. Where was it? Top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom?
Yep.
Okay. So this is obviously, hold this. Got it?
Yep.
So let's see. We'll give it a shot. Thinking something like this. Like this.
That looks good to me.
Go ahead. Put the bike on.
Oh, I'm unlucky.
Huh?
All right, so these top two need to be switched around. It's brown on the right and the purple on the left. Otherwise, your left is your right and your right is your left.
Okay,
So,
now try it.
Signal should be right.
Give me, you want me to hold the phone?
Nah, that's okay. Yeah, left signal, left blinker, right signal,
Brake.
right blinker.
Shut them off.
Try the brake,
Good. Foot brake.
foot brake. Let's see.
Good. Hazards. Last
Hazards.
test.
I don't have hazards.
Oh, no?
No.
Okay.
All right, so it's going to be a real quick video for you guys today. That's all we had to do. But if you guys are interested in checking this taillight out for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down in the description to the part on Motorcycle Depot where you can get it yourself and clean your bike up a little bit, make it look nice and uniform in the back. So looking good. I'll see you guys out on the road.